와우.
사랑해 사랑해 우수 우수 저우수 I love you 변우수 I love you 우수
우수가 사랑해.
사랑해 우수가
사랑해 우수.
사랑해 우수가
사랑해. 사랑합니다 우수가.
Let's be together forever 사랑해 우수씨
I think we have another surprise for you. This is a special cake from your Filipino fan. Oh, this is so nice. All your characters are there. They prepared the video. They prepared a beautiful video for you, and of course, amazing messages. How do you feel about it? How do you like it?
아니, 사실 제가 약간 몸이 안 좋았는데
I wasn't feeling very well today. I was a little sick.
I felt if I didn't show you enough.
그러다가 좀 고생했는데 되게 정말 많은 그 힘을 주셔가지고 덕분에 재밌게 좋게 할 수 있었던 것 같습니다. 그래서 너무 감사드려서 조금 울컥했던 것 같아요.
So I worried a little bit, but because I'm very thankful that you gave me so much energy to be back, and because of that, I had so much fun. Kaya medyo napaiyak ako because of your great love towards me.
And indeed, mahal na mahal natin si Byeon Usok. So once again, let's show him our love. Let's show him how much we appreciate him. Palakpakan naman po natin siya, everyone. I know all of you guys are in tears right now, but our program is not yet ready. And I'm glad that he loved the video and he appreciated your gift. So thank you so much, guys, for representing all of the stands here in the Philippines. So for now, why don't we have a group photo? Is it okay?